Hello, good day viewers. Here is the correction to question number 3 of WAEC 2023 Mathematics Examination. In the last solution, I computed a wrong radius, but later on realized. So now let us make the correction. The question reads, in the diagram, which is this one above, PQR is an equilateral triangle. You can see PQR. An equilateral triangle has all its sides equal. All the interior angles equal. They are all 60 degrees. And the side length of this equilateral triangle is 18 cm. M is a midpoint of QR. You can see QR here, and M is the midpoint, halfway between Q and R. An arc of a cycle with center P touches QR at M. So it means that this is a sector, right? You can see this is a sector. This is the center of the cycle that form the sector from the center. And it means that from here down to A is a radius. So you can see that the arc touches PQ at A and PR at B. We're asked to calculate, correct to 2 decimal places, the area of the shaded region. You can see shaded region here. And we're asked to take pi as 22 divided by 7, which is commonly used in Nigeria. So how can we find the area of this shaded region? First of all, we have to find the area of this equilateral triangle. Secondly, find the area of this sector. Then take away the area of the sector from the area of the triangle. What is left will be the area of this blue region. All right, let us find the area of the equilateral triangle. You know, equilateral triangle is a special triangle. So area of triangle. Since it is an equilateral triangle, we can use this formula. Square root of 3 divided by 4 multiplied by a squared, for which a is the side length, which is given as 18 centimeters. So this is equal to the square root of 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 18 squared. So now let me use my calculator, press everything directly. And this is approximately equal to 140.30. 140.30 cm squared. So this is the area of the equilateral triangle. Now coming back to the area of sector, we have a sector right here. You can see that this is a sector. And to find the area of sector, all you have to do is to take the angles obtended by that sector, divide by 360 degrees, which is the angle of a point or a cycle, then multiply by area of cycle, which is pi r squared. So what do we need to find here? We need to find r because pi is given, and we know this angle must be 60 degrees because I told you the interior angles of an equilateral triangle are all equal. They are all equal to 60, 60. This is 60, this is 60, and this is also 60, making 180. So all we have to find is the radius. And you know, radius is the distance from the center to any part of the circumference. So since we have a midpoint here, we can draw a perpendicular line like this. And this must be what? Radius. Remember that this side length is 18. And if this is the midpoint, this will be 9. This is also 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So if you observe, we have a right-angled triangle here, which we can apply Pythagoras rule to find the radius. Remember, hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So that's what we're going to do. So 18 squared will be equal to r squared plus 9 squared. 18 squared is equal to r squared plus 9 squared. So r squared will be equal to 18 squared minus 9 squared. Let me plug in this first. 18 squared minus 9 squared is equal to 243. R squared is equal to 243. I'm not going to take square root because I realize from my formula I have r squared. So instead of taking square root, I can substitute r squared with 243 directly. And therefore, the area will be what? Theta, which is 60 degrees, divide by 360 degrees, then multiplied by pi, which is 22 divided by 7, multiplied by r squared, which is 243. You know, this will give us 1 divided by 6. So we have 1 divided by 6, because 60 can divide 61 times and it can divide 366 times. Multiplied by, what is 22 times 243? I have 5,346 divided by 7. So all we have to do is to multiply this to the top, which is going to still give us 5346, then divide by 6 times 7, which is 42. And this will give us approximately equal to 127.29 in 2 decimal places. So this is the area of that sector. Remember, we are looking for the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region, it will be equal to what? Area of triangle minus area of sector. So what is area of triangle? We have it here as 140.30, 140.30 minus area of sector, which is 127.29. Then we subtract, and this will give us exactly 13.01 cm squared in what? 2 decimal places according to the question, and hence this is the area of that shaded region, 13.01. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.